Hello everybody, today we're installing our GTA car kit into 2004 Toyota Solara, and we'll start off with what tools you'll need. You'll need a 10mm socket with an extension, and you'll need some type of a clip removal tool. This one looks very similar to a flathead screwdriver. And also we're gonna need some electrical tape, and I'll show you why a little bit later on. So we'll start off with removing this this little clip, and that's in order to access this because when you're installing the kit, you're not supposed to turn on or give any power to the radio, so that's why it's better not to use the keys. And we're doing this. Make sure your e-brake is up, and we're gonna press this down and put it into neutral, and because we need the space in order to get the radio out, or actually the pocket out. And we're just gonna put this here. So once you did that, we're gonna remove the shift knob, and it just unscrews counterclockwise. Very easy to do. The next step is to open this pocket and to open the armrest and remove this trim around here. This panel, it just comes off. We're gonna try to use our hands as much as possible because we don't want to scratch anything, and then you just have to kind of maneuver it out just like that. And as you can see, there's 6 clips. There's one on the bottom, but there's 3 on each side. If you can't get it out, you can kind of see where they are and maybe pry it off, but we try to use hands as much as possible so we don't scratch anything. Once you did that, now this pocket can come out, and also we're just gonna pull it out. You have to tilt it in order to get it out, and we're gonna use our clip removal tool in order to remove these connections right here. There's one. You just press it on the top and get it out, just like that. These like to come out sometimes like that. Make sure you just put them back. See, as this one came out too, just like that. There's also one connection in the back for the cigarette lighter right here. We're gonna just remove it, and now we're gonna put this to the side. It's also, I'm gonna show you right now, because we took it out, it's a good place to feed your wire through. You can drill a hole wherever in the back here and feed the wire through. You can also drill a hole in this middle armrest. You can drill it down there and put the wire there, but our customer wants the cable inside the glove box. And once you remove the pocket, in the bottom here, now you're gonna see the 2 screws we're gonna have to remove. There's 4 screws holding this radio, and so there's 2 on the bottom and there's 2 on top. And so now this is the time where you need the electrical tape. We're gonna just put it over the end of our clip removal tool. If you're using a flathead screwdriver, put it over that. And because we gotta remove the vents over here, and they're only held on clips, and kind of just gonna get underneath here very carefully. Make sure you don't scratch anything. Just like that. I'm gonna try to use our hands. So basically it comes out forward. The clips are all holding it like that. So once you get a little bit of room in the back, you can just push it out just like that. You don't have to disconnect anything because you can just rest it on top here. There's clips over here in the back. As you can see, one already one is stuck in the middle there. We're gonna have to take it out and put it back. And if they do that, sometimes they like to fall off, so make sure you find them and then you put them back. And there's 3 clips on the bottom here, but they're all in place. I don't think they're gonna come off. And when you're putting everything back, make sure you feed these 2 wires in the middle, otherwise it's not gonna fit properly. So once you did that, you're gonna see 2 more screws or bolts on top of the radio, and so we're gonna take out 4 in total, and we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. So we just took out our 4 bolts, and they look like this once you take them out. And now the radio is ready to come out, and it's just, there's 2 clips on each side holding it. You just gotta wiggle it out and get it out. So the clips look like that, the yellow ones. Over here in the back, you're gonna see this empty connection. That's where our GTA car kit is gonna go. So we're gonna just kind of rest it here. Make sure when you're taking off the radio, make sure you don't scratch the radio on the, it's better to put a towel around here. So we have our GTA car kit already pre-assembled. On one side, in the middle you have the module. On one side you have the connection that is gonna go to the back of the radio, facing with the clip facing down like that. And on the other side you have an auxiliary cable coming out. It comes with our kit. And also the cable for the iPhone. And we're gonna take it off again and just plug it in here, just like that. Make sure the connection is good, and we're gonna test it out. So we're gonna, we also suggest before putting everything back, make sure you do test everything out. And we're gonna turn on the radio. It's gonna be a regular FM mode. We're gonna take our iPhone 4. We're gonna connect it. It's gonna start charging. You might get this message, the accessory is not optimized for use with this iPhone, but you just dismiss it. Doesn't have any negative effect on your iPhone. So we're gonna go and press our disc button. If you want to listen to the auxiliary and you go into and you have a CD in there, you have to press the button twice. But as we don't have CD there, we just have to press it once and it goes automatically to the CD1 mode, and this is the mode you didn't have before. And when you're listening to auxiliary, it's just gonna say disc 4 track 8. That's fine. As soon as you connect it to the iPhone, it's gonna change, and we're gonna go to disc 1 to start off, and we're gonna go into the iPod app. And so in this mode, you can control both the songs both from the iPod and from the radio. As you can see, it's switching the songs. You can also switch the songs from the steering wheel controls. As you can see, it's working from both. There's also a cool option if you listen to your music by playlist. You can go up a disc like that. So we're gonna be in disc 2 right now, and this is our first playlist. Disc 3 is our second, third, fourth, so just one back. So we're gonna be in our 5th playlist. If you don't know what playlist you're on, you can press the text button and it's gonna show you the playlist. It's also, if you press it again, it's gonna show you the song name. Make sure you have proper names without numbers so it's easier to see. So when you're in the playlist mode, the iPod gets locked, but the rest of the iPhone is still fully functional. Not just the iPod gets locked, and the phone is charging. And in the hybrid mode, in disc 1, it's not gonna show you the song names. It's only gonna show you the song names when you're in the playlist mode and your iPod is locked. So same thing, you can switch it from here, or you can switch it from the steering wheel. Also, if you turn off the car right now, take out the keys and leave the iPhone plugged in, it's not gonna be charging, but it's gonna be paused at the same spot, and once you turn the car back on, it's gonna continue playing from where you left off. And that's pretty much it. Make sure, as I said before, it plays through all the speakers. And I'm gonna disconnect it, and can go just back to regular FM mode. I'll show you in park in order to take out the keys. And so once you tested everything out, make sure you put everything back the same way it was. A good spot to put the module is around here. You can kind of put it here and zip tie it there, or to this side. There's plenty of room behind this plastic piece. And if you wanna, like our customer does, if you wanna run the cable to the glove box, there's an opening there. You don't have to drill anything. It's just feed the wire through there and catch it here, and very simple to do. And that's pretty much it. So that was the video into 2004 Toyota Solara, and we're installing our GTA car kit. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.